In the name of Allah, the most magnificent, the most merciful. My heartiest greetings to everyone and welcome to another recipe by Serenity Cuisine. I am going to make a delicious desi sweet dish, ANDAY or SOOJI ka halwa. That is egg semolina pudding. Take pure desi ghee in an iron wok and let it splutter. Then add green cardamom seeds or powder for aroma. When the ghee become hot, add semolina and roast well in desi ghee. You can also use butter. You need to roast it well until golden brown and aromatic. Stir continuously to avoid burning. If you are watching my video for first time, please subscribe and follow. It will take 10 minutes, so bear patience. Now break for eggs and beat. Also add milk and 4 teaspoons of brown sugar and set aside. Don't let semolina roasting unattended as it will be ruined due to burning. Once it will be roasted properly, gradually add milk. Semolina will soak the milk and become soft and spongy. The softness of pudding will depend upon how well it has been roasted. The softer, the tastier. Look how tempting it's looking. Keep adding milk. I have added 1 liter full cream milk. The semolina is soaking more and more milk and becoming softer. It is a time-taking process, but for delicious pudding, this process is worth doing. Now add sugar according to your taste. You can add white sugar or brown sugar or other sweeteners like stevia leaves powder. Mix well to dissolve all the sugar. Add a bit of more desi ghee and keep roasting. Now add eggs, milk and brown sugar mixture to semolina. Now mix everything well on low flame so that flavors melt together. If you reach this section of the recipe, please accept a special thanks. Give a thumbs up if you like this recipe. It will help me reaching more viewers. Add nuts to semolina pudding. After mixing, keep stirring and roasting pudding on high flame until the oil comes to surface. This pudding is a very popular dish in Pakistan. Now the oil is separated. I have added oil in moderation due to health perspective. That's all for today's recipe. Hope you liked the recipe. Please give it a try and give a thumbs up. Let me know in comments section if you liked the recipe. Garnish with nuts. This is the final look. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, take care.